I think now I am audible. Am I audible now? Children, am I audible? Come on, say fast. Okay, I'm sharing the link one more time. Fine. I'm going to share the channel. Please calmly finish the work. Now look here, beta. I'm starting the chapter lines and angles. Take out right. Take out your note now. I think I'm audible. Come on, give your attendance as fast as possible. Who and all are present? Just write your name fast. Tanisha, Unnati. Come on, come on, come on. Unnati, good. Now listen. You only talk. I will do my work. So now first, in lines and angles, I'll tell you what is the first difference point is. Arunisha, good morning, beta. Sorry, good afternoon. Now look here. First is I'm going to draw a line. So what is the meaning of line? So if somebody will be drawing this line, you please pay attention. This is exactly considered as line. So when you are drawing a line, as per you see here, this is exactly a line. So if I am drawing a line, please pay attention. A line does not have any end point. A line does not have any end point. A line is made up of infinite number of points. A line is made up of what, beta? Infinite number of points. So if a line is made up of how many number of points? Infinite number of points. So if anybody will be asking you, you need to answer that a line is made up of infinite number of points. A line is made up of, can you put that curtains, beta? A line is made up of what? Infinite. Some gaps are there and light is coming from there. So a line is made up of infinite number of points. Be careful. Yes, that side also, beta. A line is made up of what? Infinite number of points. Yes. So here, start triangle. Yes, after this, I am going to start triangles. Don't worry about it. Today, class is there. Everybody, please, class is there. Now look here, a line is exactly made up of how many number of points? Infinite number of points. So we can write any point on it. Amrish, miss, if I want to write any points, I'll be saying that the line is having infinite number of points. And whenever I'm writing the points, I can say that the points can be A comma B, C comma D, E comma A. Miss, any point will be exactly divided into two factors like A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. Understood or not? So a line is made up of how many number of points? Infinite number of points. So first conclusive point is a line is made up of infinite number of points. Switch off the fan. A line is made up of infinite number of points. If anybody will be asking you this question, you can answer that side fan and that side fan. A line is made up of infinite. Sound is created so much. So a line is made up of what? Infinite number of points. So what is the difference between a line and a ray? So if somebody will be asking you what is the difference between a line and a ray, then what answer you are going to give it up? Then what answer you are going to give? Down and yeah. Then what answer you are going to give? Ray is exactly made with one end point. So if somebody will be drawing ray, this is exactly one ray. Okay. So ray coming here means you see here this arrow is there. So arrow and one end point will be there. So this end point will be there. So ray is always indicated by A, B and this. So this is exactly the presentation of ray. So if anybody will be asking you what is a ray, you will say that a ray will have one end point. How many end points a ray is having? One end point. Understood? Array is having how many endpoints? Array is having one endpoint. Understood? And from one side, it is exactly going. Good evening, Naman. So here from one side it will be going infinite. So this is the specific difference between a line and array. So if somebody will be asking you this question, what is the difference between, yes beta, so what is the difference between a line and array, then what answer you are going to say? A line is made up of infinite number of points, array will be, but array will have one end point. What is the difference between a line and array? A line do not have any end point, but array will have one end point. And now Amrish, you are going to tell me what is the difference between line I have drawn, ray I have drawn. Now we are going to draw this. So what is the difference between this all? Now this is coming as A and this is coming as B. So here, yes, infinite endpoints, ray one endpoint, very good. But beta, when we are drawing a line, what you call line segment. So line segment is what beta? What is this? This is line segment. So having how many endpoints will be there? Having two endpoints. So if anybody will be drawing a line segment, what is the difference between all of them? It will have two endpoints and it will have a definite length. Understood? So in order to understand it, we can say that a line segment is having definite length. Definite length. So here the length can be going, good evening beta, good evening Chahel. So exactly it is having definite length. So this is one of a particular part of a chapter. Okay, Shweta and Smita, good evening beta. Put your class for live button and answer my questions. I want all the children to be very hyperly active in the class, and whenever I will call out your name, you need to answer my question. Okay, so on the spot you have to answer my questions. I can ask the question anytime. So okay, so get ready everyone and start answering the question. So my question is, so whenever the button will be off, you just put, it will should be red color, means you all are active to the point. Okay, now look here beta. So what is the difference between a line? So I'm going to ask questions. Bhavya, still Bhavya has not been shown up. I'm seeing Bhavya is not there in the class. Shanvi and Bhavya, these two children are still missing. So now look here. So I am going to ask you one question. If somebody will be asking you this, what is the difference between line and line segment? Then what is the answer? Difference between line and line segment. Which is having endpoint? Which is having endpoints. Line segments are having endpoints. How many endpoints? Still now online children has not given one single answer. Offline children has given answer. Line segment is having how many? Absolute correct child. So here now Tanisha, Naman have given the answer. Very good. So exactly two endpoints are there. How many endpoints are there? Two endpoints. And two endpoints are having for whom? Line or line segment? Line segment. Who is having definite length? Among all the three, 1, 2, 3, who is having definite length? Absolute, very good. So offline children has given the answer. Online, 2 endpoints, absolutely correct, Sweta. So just 3 endpoints, that the third one. Child is absolutely correct. Your offline children are also correct. So that means the line will be having how many endpoints? No, the line is not having any endpoints. So line segment is having two endpoints and it is having definite length. Understood? So now we are going to understand the next topic is, so here we have absolutely correct, Naman. Oh, Unnati, where are you? So here when we have understood this, so now we are going to understand the next point. So if somebody will be asking you this question, now till here we have discussed line, ray, line segment. Understood? Now we are going to understand the next topic. Our next topic is linear and collinear. Understood? Collinear and non-collinear points. Give a heading, that is collinear. Collinear and non-collinear. You should write everything in your note because exactly the difference will be known. So in the test, you will be having the questions and you need to write the answers. Everybody pay attention. Still now, Bhavya is not shown up. Okay. So now what is the meaning of linear and what is the meaning of collinear? Okay, get ready. Collinear means when the points are on a line, The line will be exactly having what points. So if all the points are present on a line, see, still late answers are coming. That means you are not live. You need to go live, press the button, you will be getting the answers as fast as possible. Okay, because I need answers as fast as possible. So but whenever I am giving any answer, you will get it fast. Otherwise, the system will be slow, so I will be getting answers late. Okay, so now come on, pay attention here. Collinear and non-collinear. Three or more points lie on the same line. Look here. Three or more points. What is the definition of collinear? Three or more points lies on a line, it is considered as collinear. So now let's draw this. So I am drawing a line here, point A, point B, point C, point D. All are lying on a line, then these points are considered as collinear points. What they are considered as? Collinear points. What they are considered as? Collinear points. Shanvi and Bhavya, you have to just indicate me you are present in the class. Linear and collinear. So here collinear points, I hope you might have understood what is the difference between collinear and linear. I hope children you have understood this one. Yes. So collinear point, non-collinear do not lie on the, better in non-collinear, the points are not lying on the same line. This has to be remembered. Understood. So exactly you need to answer this question. You need to understand this point. Okay. So here I'm just explaining this part. I'm just explaining this part. I'm just going to answer this question. Okay. So please pay attention here and answer my question, please. Okay. Yes, that's only I have written. So points will be there. Points will be there and then answers will be coming. Okay. So now please check this part. Ready, beta? Are you all ready? So now I'm giving you the next part. Example points on a ruler. No, points on a ruler. No, just wait for 1 minute. I will be explaining you another point. Now look here. Just check this one out. Just check this one out. So now look here. If somebody will be asking you these questions, how you are going to answer the questions that you need to check. Now look here. So first point you please pay attention here, that non-collinear means the points will not be on a line. That's what. So when points will be on a line, collinear. When the points will not be on a line, it will be considered as non-collinear. But beta, if I will be exactly, the points are present like this. So now when we will be joining these points, so when we will be joining these points, what we are getting is, okay, I'm joining these points. Once I'm joining these points, what I'm getting, I'm not getting any other figure, but I'm getting, so more than 2 points will make any enclosed figure. Okay, more than Bhavya, very late. More than 2 points are exactly enclosing any figure. 2 points cannot enclose a figure. More than 2 points will enclose a figure. More than 2 points will do what? It will enclose a figure. Understood or not? So carrots are arranged in a row. Carrots are arranged in a row. That is exactly collinear. That is the concept of collinear. Concept of collinear says that beta, ki all the points will be present on a line. All the points are present on a line. It is considered as collinear. It is considered as what beta? Collinear. It is considered as what? Collinear. Okay, it is considered as collinear. I hope you might have understood. So now we'll go for the next one, children. Are you all ready, please? Are you all ready for the next topic, please? Get ready for the next topic, children. Now here till here, is it crystal clear? Come on, children, inform me, is it crystal clear or not? Huh? Non-collinear means when the points will be not present in a line, it will be considered as non-collinear. When the points are not present on a line, it is considered as non-collinear. Clear now? So whenever somebody will be asking you, collinear and linear, so beta exactly zigzag points are there na. like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are there. So now they are non-collinear because they are in different part of the figure. So here, when they are in the different part of the figure, what we will do, we will just try to join and make some figure out of it. So when they are joining it, it is non-collinear points because they are making some enclosed figure. Did you understood, beta? So just I want a very smart answer from all the children. Come on, your question is, Amrish, the question is, if I am having 5 points and all the 5 points in different point in a plane, then what type of enclosed figure they will make? Non-collinear it is there. What can be the shape of that? I have 5 points on a plane and I want to make an enclosed figure. 100% it will not be collinear. The points are non-collinear because they are exactly aligned in different locations. So now all the 5 points will make an enclosed polygon. Okay. So what can be the name of that polygon who will have 5 points? So I got one answer from offline children. They have given one answer and I think the answer is absolutely correct, but I am waiting for online children because I know you have not heard the answer. So now child, can you say me what can be the answer, please? So please put thumbs up in the channel if you are liking the channel. Okay? Pentagon, absolutely correct, Bhavya. The first answer I have received is from Bhavya. The correct answer is pentagon. What is the correct answer? Pentagon. Okay, very good. The correct answer is pentagon. The correct answer coming is pentagon. Sorry, I got full wet. Yes, the correct answer is coming as pentagon because 5 enclosed figures means 5 points I am getting. Now look here, 5 points. So I am going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any places 5 points I have just made. Now what I am doing is joining these points. 1 point joined, another point joined, another point joined, another point joined, another point joined. So it is not a regular pentagon, but it is exactly considered as, what is the name given? Pentagon. What is the name given, beta? The name given is pentagon. So water fall on my shirt. So now that is exactly called as what, beta? Pentagon. I hope everybody understood. So now we'll go for the next one. Till here understood linear, collinear. Now we will go for the next concept. So our next concept is, next part question is, come on, I'm going to ask one question about complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary and supplementary. Write the complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. How many of you are knowing complementary angles and supplementary angles? So complementary angles, okay, complementary angles and supplementary angles. So two type angles is there. Shweta, yes, complementary and supplementary angles. Sorry for water falling on my shirt. Shweta and Smita, come on, respond soon. Complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary means sum of the two angles is coming as 90 degree is considered as complementary angle, and when it will be sum will be coming as 180 degree, it will be coming as supplementary angle. Aru, that is absolutely correct. Shweta and Smita, last time I'm calling out your name. I need to ask some questions from you, so get ready and answer my questions, please. Okay, Bhavya, supplementary angle is 180 degree. Supplementary angle is 180 degree. Tanisha, supplementary angle is coming how much, beta? 180 degree. Now let's check this one out. Let's see. We are going to solve some of the question. Okay. Okay. Complementary is Anika. Hi, beta. Hi Anika. So now please pay attention and start answering the question. Okay. So when two angles, we know that one adjacent ray we are going to draw and one ray will be exactly dividing. So for this complementary and supplementary, first we are going to draw and try to understand. Okay. Now I am doing the drawing part, please. So first I am going to draw a line. In that line, one ray is there. Okay, now this angle is taken as x and this angle is taken as y. So when x plus y, sum of the two adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree, it is a case of, so they are what? Supplementary angle. Understood? So supplementary angles. So sum of the two angles, if it is giving sum of the two angles at as high. So now when sum of the two angles are exactly coming as 180 degree, it will be considered as what beta? It will be considered as supplementary angle. So one angle will be supplement of the other. This is a very important concept to be noting down. So one angle will be supplement of the other. That's a very important point, beta. What is the meaning of one angle supplement of the other? If somebody will ask you, one angle is supplement of the other means, in shortcut way, we cannot write. So if I want write x here, this one will become 180 minus x. Remember this one. So that means the two angles, they are supplement of each other. If one of the angle is x, what will be the another angle beta? 180 minus x. Understood? 180 minus x. So if, but sum of these two angle will become what beta? 180. Remember. So if you add here also these two, are they giving you? So 180 and 180 minus x. This and this get cancelled. What degree is coming? 180 degree. Means beta given to Vinda. Hi beta. Good evening, beta. So now you need to understand this part. Yes, you need to understand this part. Ki when two angles sum is coming as 180 degree. Remember this. When two angle sum is coming as how much, beta? 180 degree. It will be considered as what? Supplementary angle. And one angle will be supplement of the other. One angle, you are, what is that means? One angle will be supplement of other. So I am just writing one question. You are going to answer me this question. I'm teaching better lines and angles of class 9th mathematics. Okay. And in that I'm teaching supplementary and complementary angle part. And in that part beta I'm discussing that if two angles are added and it is exactly giving us 180 degree, then it is exactly coming as supplementary angle. I hope you might have understood beta. So now we are going to go back to our part. Understood? So now if one of the angle is given 70 degree, then what will be the another angle if both the angles are supplement of each other? Cannot solve it and say. If it is not, how it is possible, beta? See, understand one thing. Anika, there is a concept. Very good. Tanisha, first part you have given answer. Anika has asked a question. Offline children also, please listen the question. She has asked the question, ma'am, if it is not in one line and total angle degree is 180. Beta, this is exactly one of the concept of mathematics, that a line will always make 180 degree. Understood beta? So it will always, so angle when you will be finding beta, the standing line will always be making what degree beta? 180 degree. The standing line will always be making 180 degree. Means if I will be making, okay, if I will be making, so here concept is very, very important. Absolutely correct, Chahil. So Chahil has also said, and Shweta Smita has also said. So beta, understand, if I will draw a line, okay, if I will draw a line, means the moment I am drawing a line, children listen this, because the question is a very good question. So whenever a line is drawn, okay, whenever line is drawn, it will always be, so if this point and this point is there, so 100% this point and this point is there, and I will take any center point, then total angle subtended will be 180 degree only beta. The total angle subtended will be what degree? The total angle subtended will be 180 degree. I hope you might have understood beta. Anika, your doubt is clear? So here, this is one of the most important point we must remember. Okay, now one angle is given. So other children, they have given me the answer. The answer was, so if I have just asked this question that if one of the angle is 70 degree, what will be the other angle? So one of the angle is coming. any two angle, then it will not be supplementary. It will not be supplementary. So like beta, if any angle will be either, so look here, if one angle is 70-degree beta and another angle will be 100-degree, the moment they will be exactly added together, so it is coming as 170-degree. So 170-degree will not be in line. Now beta, Anika, for your question, I'm just drawing, everybody please pay attention here. So if I am drawing this line, okay, beta, because it has to be 180. The sum will be coming as 180. Like if I'm drawing like this and I'm adding these two together. Okay, so now this angle is coming as 70 and this angle will come 180, 110. Then only this will be a line. If it will be less than 2 degree also, it will not be considered as a straight line. Understood? So if it is coming as 180 means 100% it will be a line. Okay, so that's the point, Anika. So here, and another important point about another figure also, Anika. Check this one out. Okay, now look here. So if I am drawing any closed figure, that point, adjacent angle sum is coming as 180-degree. That is a different concept. Okay, that concept will come means x plus y is coming as 180-degree. That is sum of adjacent angle. This is for quadrilateral concept. Okay, that is for quadrilateral concept. But for line concept, intersecting concept, when two angles, adjacent angles, what angles? Adjacent. What is the adjacent means? Neighbors. Understood? What is there? He is, this is adjacent of this one. Understood? They are what beta? Neighbors. And when you will add these two together and they will give you 180-degree, then only it is supplementary, means present on a line. What does this mean? It is supplementary and it is present where beta? It is present on a line. I hope the concept is crystal clear now. Everyone. Yes, adjacent angle. I hope the concept is crystal clear. Come on, say yes. Shweta, Smita, Tanisha, everyone, come on. I want to see all the yes, those who are present now. All the children, those who are present now, give me a yes. Clear? Okay. Till now, I have got 3 yes. Fourth yes. Anika has given fourth yes. Now, next, offline children already gave yes. Now, next one, only 4 yes I got. Okay. Sweta, Priyansh, yes. Okay. Now, better listen. Now, we are going to go for the next question. But some questions we need to solve. Because in absence of solving these questions, we'll not be able to understand about supplement. Okay. Now, question is, the ratio between two adjacent angles are 2:3. The ratio between two adjacent angles are 2:3. Find the angles if they are supplement of each other. Find the angles if they are supplement of each other. Now the question goes to you. Let's see how fast you are going to give the answer. Come on, go for it, beta. 36-degree. Offline I got 36-degree. Let's see what online children are telling. Aye, Amrish, solve and say the answer, beta. It's not the correct way of solving. Come on, children, everyone solve. Everyone solve, because both the adjacent angles are supplement of each other. When they are supplement of each other means be very careful and then answer the question. They are supplement of each other, but I need the correct answer. That beta, what is the supplement angles? Angles in this question, beta, you need to find the angles. The most important point is you need to find the angles. 36, Anika. Supplement part is there, na beta. Hmm. X will be 36 degree. Now let's check this out, beta. They are supplement of each other. So now let's solve this question. If they are supplement of each other, so whenever you are drawing geometry sections now, make sure that you are drawing. Drawing is one of the perfect indication. So now first work, what we will do? We will draw a line. Okay. First we will draw a line. After that, we are going to draw a ray on it. Done. We don't know which one is which one. So here, the let the supplementary angles be 2x and 3x. Beta, they are in the ratio. Ratio will be exactly not in the common format. So they will be in the ratio. So when they are in the ratio, we will take as 2x and 3x. Now beta, supplementary angle means, so if this is 2x and this part will become 3x, means sum of this 2x plus 3x will become 180 degree. Now joined, it will become 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 divided by 5. So it is coming as what beta? 5 3s are 15, 36 degree. So x is coming as 36 degree. So one of the C, x coming as 36 degree. X coming as 36 degree. Then first angle is 2x. So 2 into 36 degree, 72 degree. Now beta 3x. 3x will be coming as 3 into 36 degree. Then it is coming as 108 degrees. Understood? Absolute. Absolute. Anika, everybody super. So 2x plus 3x is equal to, yes, 72 degree and 108 degree. Did you got the answer, beta? Did you got the answer? So did you found the class interesting? Come on, children, tell me. So this is the way to solve. Please note down. Please note down the sum of the two angles are coming like this. So they are exactly considered into this part. Wow, very good. Super, beta. Super. The correct answer is that only. Okay. Absolutely correct. Slowly, I'll be teaching lines and angles and I will clear all your doubts. Huh, beta? 2 by 5 to? Yes, but with the content you have to write like this, beta. Systematic statement has to be written. If statement you are not writing means the answer will not be coming as correct. Okay. Okay, did you understood this one, beta? We'll go for the next one. Get ready for the next question. Children, are you all ready? So if you, next question, super. So now write the next question, beta. Now we know one more important point. If you will be noticing, another important thing is complementary angle. You know, na? Complementary angle means what, beta? When the sum of the two angles will be coming as what, beta? 90 degree, it will be considered as complementary angle. So here we are going to draw one, ayo, ulta. So first is this one, understood? Second one is this one. So when sum of these two will be coming as 90 degree, it will be considered as what, beta? It will be coming as 90 degree. Then it will be exactly what, beta? Complementary angle. And always remember, for a complementary angle, the adjacent one will be exactly how we are going to draw. This part we are going to draw. It is not coming from the point. This is exactly there. Okay. So if one of the angle is coming as x, this one will become y. But here sum of these two angles will become how much degree, beta? 90 degree. Understood? This is coming as how much degree, beta? This is coming as 90 degree. Only Shanvi is absent. Shanvi and Sam, these two children are absent. Their name are not there. I don't know. Sam is not here. Anika is there. Other people are here, but Sam is not here. If, huh? One day. He will punch you one day, seriously. He will be signing? Tirupal. No, Tirupal is absent. थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू नित्यम. अभी कौन सी क्लास में हो नित्यम? चलो शुरू करें. ओके. ओके बेटा. नित्यम शुरू करते हैं. शुरू करें मीन्स लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. हाँ ना बेटा, क्वेश्चन इज get ready because now we know supplementary angles also and now we know complementary angles. So right, if an angle is 2 times its complement, find the angles. If an angle is 2 times its complement, yes, if an angle is 2 times its complement, 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 find the angle. If an angle is 2 times its complement. Now beta listen, if this is x, then what will be its complement beta? Complement will be 90 minus x. Understood? So if an angle is 2 times its complement, Tanisha, it is coming, what you are writing here right now, beta, it is coming as 180 degree. Okay, and that is 90 plus 90. That is a different concept, beta. That is not a problem. But right now, what is the question is, an angle is 2 times its complement. An angle is 2 times its complement. Then what is the angle? An angle is 2 times its complement. Think nicely. An angle is 2 times its complement. No. Check one more time. An angle is 2 times its complement. Come on, you can do it. An angle is 2 times its complement. Okay, now listen here, beta. Listen here. So we know now that two angles sum. See, always remember this thing, that if two angles are x and y, so let the angles be x and y. Now, beta, when you are writing angles be x and y, we know that x plus y is equal to 90 degree. It is a case of complementary angle. Understood? But beta, y will be what? 90 minus x. So that means directly, rather than writing y, can we write x and 90 minus x? Very good. X and 90 minus x. Now they're telling that an angle is 2 times its complement. An angle is 2 times its complement. 60 degree. Okay, let's check this one out. An angle is 2 times its complement. So I am complement of you. But that means what? When we both will add up together, it should come 90. Okay, if we are complementary angle, so when we both add up together, it should come 90. When we both add up together, it should come how much beta? 90. So here, you see here, solve it. X is equal to 180 degree minus 2x. Now shift this 2x here. It will become x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 divided by 3. It is coming as how much beta? 60 degree. It is coming as how much? 60 degree. Understood? So now beta, one angle is 60 degree. What is the complementary of it? So 90 minus 60. Understood? So another angle will be what? That is y is 90 minus 60. So that is 30 degree. So our two complementary angles are 60 and 30. Anika, absolutely, bravo, well done. Huh? Huh? One angle is 2 times its complement. An angle is 2 times its complement. An angle is how much times its complement? 2 times its complement. So if any angle is 2 times its complement, means how to solve beta? This is the way to solve. Did you find the content very relevant? Understood now? So this is exactly a way to write complementary angle and supplementary angle. Sometimes they will say like this. So at the beginning, some children were telling the session that what you call lines and angles are very tough. Did you studied and did you till now whatever we have done? Did you found it very difficult? Hmm? We learned it now, beta. That is, sum of two angles are coming as 90 degree. Then it will be called as what, beta? Complementary angles. Sum of two angles are coming as 180 degree. Then what it is coming as? Supplementary angles. So when sum of two angles are coming 90 and sum of two angles are coming as 180, one will be complementary angle, another one will become what, beta? Supplementary angle. So that was not the end. We have done ratio wise questions also. Yes, yes, but it will not be difficult until and unless people will make it difficult. It is not difficult, and our work is to learn it. And but if you find it good, means put thumbs up so that other children can also be. Thumbs up means in that button you have to press thumbs up. Like button you have to press so that other students can also study and learn from it. Okay. So put yes, like button if you are pressing means other children can also find it helpful and they can study because this is a world of showing. Okay. So now look here, beta. We'll go for the next one. Children, are you all ready? Children, are you all ready? Next question. Okay. Arnisha is ready for the next question. Let's see, beta. So my concept is exactly clear right now. So right next question. An angle is an angle is 3 times its supplement. An angle is 3 times its supplement. An angle is here, not chahel. In the like button, you have to press. An angle is such a cute boy. An angle is 3 times its supplement. Okay, thank you so much, beta. An angle is 3 times its supplement. An angle is how many times its supplement? 3 times its supplement. An angle is 3 times its supplement. Thank you, beta. Everyone put it so that other children can also study. Pushpa, an angle is 3 times its supplement, beta. How to answer the question? How to answer this question, beta? An angle is 3 times its supplement. How to do it? 3 times its supplement means what? Now I am saying it. An angle is 3 times its supplement. Then what is the angle? An angle is 3 times its supplement. What could be the answer? Huh? One is 135 degree and other is add करके देख तो 135 and 45 90 coming supplement. Yes, so 135 and how much it is coming? So this is x and this is y. We know that. Let the angles be x and y. Let the angles be okay, very good. X and y, but you have to go by systematic approach. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. So beta, what will be y? Y will be 180 minus x. Now x is 3 times of 180 minus x. So it is coming x is equal to 0. 3 6 are 3 8 are 24, 540 degree minus 3x. So here minus 3x is coming. So it is shift this one this side. 4x is equal to 540 degree. Now x will be equal to beta 540 by 4. 4 ones are 4 and then beta here it is coming 1 4. 4 threes are 12, 135 degree. Absolutely correct. So one of the angle is coming as 135 degree. Yes ma'am, coming ma'am. One of the angle is coming as 135 degree. Another angle will be coming as what? Come on check. 130 degrees, 140, 135 degree. Now, first angle is coming as 135 degree. Then what will be the value of y? Y value will be 180 minus 135 degree. So it is coming as how much beta? 45 degree. So X is coming as 35 degree and Y will be coming as how much degree beta? 45 degree. So yes, the correct answer is 35 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree. So we are going to bring an end to the session because little late was there. So tomorrow we are having physics numerical sessions, children.